Looking for a compact microphone that delivers beyond expectations? BOYA, the legendary clip-on mic trusted by over 1 million creators, podcasters, and educators worldwide, is here to level up your voice. Unlike most lavalier mics in this price range, the BOYA by-M1 features a wide frequency range, capturing clear, crisp audio with impressive noise reduction, even in outdoor environments. Thanks to its universal 3.5mm jack, you can plug it into your phone, camera, or laptop in 1 second. No drivers, no batteries, no hassle. Whether you're recording YouTube videos, live streaming, teaching online, or doing interviews, BOYA delivers studio-quality sound that rivals mics 5 times more expensive, all for the price of lunch. And the moment you hear your own voice recorded with BOYA, you'll think, wait, is that really my voice? It sounds amazing. Try it once, and you'll never go back to your built-in mic again. Affiliate link is in the description below.